Man, I heard some people saying that is Thailand overhyped? Is it overhyped? Are they getting the kind of footage? Are they under-delivering in the footage? I say to those people, man, you know, those little twerk videos, those little, what's the name? The little booty rump videos, that only works for people in their 20s. When you're on your grown man-ish, twerking and pouring bottles in the back and choking on the bottles, we don't need to do all that. You know, we win by everyday real life. This is real life. Stun on you for a minute and show you how much fun we had for a few hours. This is everyday life right here. Y'all still don't believe it? I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man, Richie Mack, the Travel OG. What up, though? I've been calling out my fellow travel brothers to get this work. I was just waiting for somebody to say my name, and one of them jumped out the window and bit the bait. Hold up! I was minding my own business on a Sunday afternoon in Pattaya, having lunch with Chocolate Man, L, and Fa. And I get this text from BMT.
Check out the challenge that they gave to us.
I tried to respond, but we was having technical difficulties. I'm watching the replay, and this is what I heard.
My crew's a little arrogant.
Hey, yo.
We ready for the smoke. So tell your homies we ready for that smoke.
Hey, I'm about to send sending messages out as we speak.
When we see y'all, hey, salute. But y'all gotta get this work, man. Tell Zoom, hey man, I like his work, but he about to get this work.
Now you know he gonna accept that. You know how Zoom is. Zoom with
He
with it, especially on when you challenge him to a video challenge.
Yo,
man, you might get Star Wars out of him now.
A long time ago, in the Matrix galaxy far, far away, 5 brothers tried to get at BMT and Zoom to Thailand. The reaction was swift, all in the name of fun. Shout out to the C3 crew for having the nerve to try me. Now it's time for the bakery. You did. Keys, you done stepped in some shit.
Tell him call all his song makers and all that he got and tell him them plugins can't save him. You know what I mean? I can download those plugins too.
We want all the smoke. 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 We want all the smoke.
Let me show you something.
You want all the smoke, we blow all the smoke. Burn that ass, 911, call it dollar joke. You gon' need the medics while we take a toast. Snap your pick and post, taking nails, homie, blame your coach. This ain't artificial, military issued. If you out for Richie, ain't no competition. We ain't dissing, think your subs gon' miss you. Overseas, walking on the beach. You at where they push them keys. You ain't really on them streets. This is Zoom, chip it, zoom, zoom, chip it, zoom. Try sweeping like it's game 4. You gon' get your tubes tied. Uncle Luke, Richie, keep them bitches cause we too live. Catch a flight, come out here, then you woosah. Talking music, nah, homie, this is music. Acting like you Schwarzenegger, you be on your true lies. We pull out big guns, boy. Pull out butter knives, 3 amigos. We got Beanie Siegel, Richie Mago Evil. Headed like an evil, jumping, moving YouTube circles. We know it's that OG travel, homie. Global, worldwide, big opponent. Bring it if you really want it. Zooming out to Thailand, homie. You don't really want this. How you don't compare the opponent?
Make sure you join the Patreon because you know they're gonna give me a yellow flag for this, and you know I'm gonna have to move it over there. You dig? Consultations available.
Topic for today is Thailand overrated, or is the content lacking? I don't know.
If it's overhyped, I need to see you got something like this. That's what I need to see. We need to see what's overhyped and what's real, and what's a snapshot of a vacation versus real life. That's what we trying to find out. Whoever hears this message under the sound of my voice, I need you to tap in and show me what your situation is looking like in real time. This is real time. I didn't ask her. I just sat down and was talking, and she was like, "Wait a minute, I got to get on my job." By the way, did I ask you to do this?
It look good.
Okay, she said it's dirty. And by the way, I don't use plugins. Somebody mentioned the fact that I use plugins. No, it's okay, baby. It don't hurt. I don't use plugins. However, I do got a badass rapper. I actually got two.
Catching flights, name the price, I'm on that boat. We on that boat. You flew her out for the clout, we call that home. We call that home. Wesley Snipes, black, that go be glowing. That go be glowing. Big bad, zoom to Thailand, she be knowing. She be tuning. Soon as I get groomed in. We ain't jumping, brooming. Focus, baby, zooming. Ain't no way we booming. Off the plane, we knew me. Ain't no one for two me. Just come and trust me, you win.
And I'm warning you, don't come out here with that goofball-ish. Southeast Asia plays no games when it comes to laws and rules. Put yourself out there and you'll be hooked up, arrested, heavily fined, kicked out, or banned from the country. No refunds. Why you think it's so chill out here? Nobody's on that type of time, especially with all the mess that's going on around the world. I'm not talking about the C3 crew. I know they're good. They gonna come back to the Matrix with happy faces and bomb footage. Sin's gonna take advantage of all the excursions like the Tiger Park. You can't be from the nasty natty and not take a picture with a real Bengal. Always remember, respect, politeness, and not bringing a bunch of attention to yourself goes a long way here. Throwing money is a no-no. I keep driving this point home because I know a lot of you are excited about coming out here, and I want you to have a good time. Make sure y'all join the Patreon, support your boy, because you know they're going to give me a yellow flag for this. You come out here to get out of the Matrix, not to bring it with you. They'll get you up out of here, man. As long as you play nice in the sandbox, you're always welcome. Don't say Uncle Zoom didn't try to warn you. If y'all still rocking with the Travel OG and the Zoom Tribe movement, hit the Cash App and support the show.
Wanna lay back and retire. The scenery here is so fire. Everybody kept on telling me that I need to go and visit Pattaya. Richie Mac, Travel OG, time to let them know. Grab your passport, get your luggage, let's go. Hey, get it ready. Hey, taking off and I'm flying. Get it ready. They got me zooming to Thailand. Get it ready. Taking off and I'm flying. Get it ready. They got me zooming to Thailand. Get it ready. Taking off and I'm flying. Get it ready. They got me zooming to Thailand. Get it ready. Taking off and I'm flying. Get it ready. They got me zooming to Thailand. Ay.
So shout out to y'all, man. This all done in love. You know we doing this in love. We educating at the same time. What'd you say, baby?
You live, it's just video.
No, not live. No, this is just a video. But I'm gonna go live. We're gonna go live with it because they was talking greasy.
Oh no, man! I get this feeling like you did that trip just because you knew he was coming. I don't know.
He said, "I'm out of here." Wait a minute, let me go to B Swell's channel right now.
Oh man, not guapo. I took the most smack, man. They be trying to be politically correct. I'm trying to do a push-up challenge with you. Send that to Chocolate City Man too. It's on. As soon as I meet him, I'm gonna pull out a Hershey bar and just put it on top of a lighter and just look at him.
It was like, we gonna do this, we gonna do that, and it's light work and top heavy. I heard all. Hey, but I gotta tell you, y'all shot fire. It was nice. But y'all done poked the bear though. You done poked old man Zoom, so I gotta give it to you. We just do the verses. But I heard Keys. Keys was a smart man. He gave it up to Thailand. He said that's hands down by far #1. So I ain't got no smoke with Keys about that. I can't do a verses with Keys. But I can do one with Sin City because he's the one said, is it overhyped? Now, fairness to Sin City ain't been here. That's fair. He has not been here. So he can't say till he gets here, then he'll understand. But for now, Sin City, you pick whatever spot you've been through, Sasua, whatever it is that you like, whatever you into. Or even the funny guy, V Swells. You can get it too. Mano y mano. You know, whatever city you pick versus Thailand. We got 12 categories. We do one on my channel, one on your channel. So it ain't no home field advantage. And in this way, we all work together. We share subscribers and viewers, and that way we build our channels up, streamline each other. I want you to win. Hey, another thing, Keys and Sin City, for the short period of time, they putting up MVP numbers. I give credit where credit is due. Sin got like damn near 40,000 subscribers in a year. And anybody that does YouTube knows that is not easy. Keys, I don't know what he did. He just flew up out of here on a spaceship. Keys is on a whole nother level. I'm trying to be like Keys numbers-wise. So it's for the culture. Y'all still gonna get this work though. At the end of the day, y'all gonna get this work. Ain't no way out of it, because y'all called me out, said my name.
Say my name, say my name.
Now, this video is edited out of order because originally when I first was gonna do this, I was just talking, L was doing my nails, I was just gonna leave it like that. But then I saw their responses.
Is Thailand overrated or is the content lacking? I don't know. Seems as if, I don't know. It's a mixture of both.
You know I couldn't accept that. But I like Sin. Sin is a real one. You can tell the real ones from the fake ones. Sin is 100% authentic, everything he says, and he's a boxing fan like me.
First and foremost, huge shout out and much respect to Zoom to Thailand. Much respect to BMT out there in Thailand as well. Much respect to Chocolate Man in Thailand. Much respect to Travelversity out there in Thailand as well. This is just a competitive nature that we bring into the table. I mean, no disrespect to any of you.
Good dude, respectful, love what he's saying, but
we just being competitors, man. Who can make the best material? So this is no disrespect to anybody. I have the utmost respect, especially to the OGs, BMT and Zoom. And I got respect for the other content creators as well that's in our age range. Much respect to y'all. Y'all out there doing y'all thing. Y'all killing it.
So let's get all the formalities out of the way. We doing this with love. We doing it with respect.
Yet, when we spin out there, it's going to be all in the life of fun. We're going to enjoy ourselves. We're going to laugh about it, have a drink.
But it's also about the competition.
Which I got to get this work, man. Coming all the way from Cincinnati, I got to get this work. I apologize, but y'all got to get this work. And shout out to y'all.
Shout out to the C3 crew. Shout out to In the Streets with Keys, Backpack Val, See Me Hustle, Sin City. Shout out to funny ass Ish Talking V Swells. Make sure to check out these guys, subscribe to them, and check out their perspective from their lens. And like I said, you know I can't do the down and dirty thing. However, that rolling me up in a pack, I'm gonna let that slide. And with that being said, tell them theme music.
Theme music.
Theme music.
Theme music.
Hey.
Zoom to Thailand. Hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it popping. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.
We're gonna be battling like this with our gimbals and stuff.
Hey, yeah,
we got to battle with each other.
But nah, tell your homie, yo, this ain't real beef. It's this video beef right here. So it's all good. It's all love.
For sure.
It's all love. And y'all do y'all thing out there, man. Tell your man step his game up, man. Tell him put that work in, man.
Hey, I don't know what you're talking about, bro. I relay the message to all of them. I relay the message to all of them.
Send it to all of them. Tell Zoom, hey man, I like his work, but he about to get this work.